Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made an extremely impressive bounce. I mean, you stop and think that at one point during the day it was all the way down there, but then the price was ultimately able to close all the way back up there. Any rational person would say, yeah, that's been a very, very nice bounce. But that does lead to the question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type movement? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $1.25. Why is $1.25 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.25. If the price were to come down to this area, and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that'd be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price goes down here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this scenario? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward, and again, in this situation, quote-unquote, progress being defined as $1.25. What about levels of resistance going forward? Next key overall area to keep an eye on, going to be right up there at the $1.38 mark. So $1.38, next key public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, as of right now, big movement today, great price movement. So the main focus, at least in my viewpoint right now, is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance, but just starting to show signs of strength via making and showing progress. So let's see if the price can stay above $1.25 or not. But definitely a great movement, and still a couple of days left this week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.